What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I am back once again. And today, let's talk about travel, how to start a travel agency working from home. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial, things you need to set in place, and how to get started and how to make this pain-free as possible. So please do not miss these tips, and we'll be right back. All right, welcome back, everybody. Larry Porter here. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't want to miss any updates regarding the travel industry, to make sure you stay up to date on all incoming tips, tricks, and tactics to help you in your travel business or future travel business and be the best travel agent ever. So right quick, so you're online, you're looking for ways to start a online travel agency or become your own travel agent. And you do want a team of travel agents working with you all. So first tip I want to give to you all is very, very simple. Okay, it's very, very critical to your success that you have the internet. There's a lot of people online that don't think that you need the internet to get started as a travel agent. And I want here to tell you, you need internet access. You need high-speed internet, because you're going to have a booking engine, okay, a site where you can send people to, or that you can plug people into yourself and book their trips, vacation packages, and etc. So you need to make sure that you have all this set in place. Make sure it's high speed and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much the main thing starting out. Make sure you have a high speed internet. I know it's simple, but hey, most people forget this step. Okay, number 2, make sure you have a plan, long-term plan. This is not something that you can just gonna build right away. Make sure you have the right intentions. Make sure that you understand that, hey, it's going to take some time. Give yourself a year, okay? A year, maybe 2, to get yourself up and running, get everything off the ground. Because think about it. If you're new to this industry, that's ongoing training that you have to take, okay? True enough, you're going to be booking your family, friends, co-workers, or etc. However, you still need to have a plan, because eventually you're going to need more people to talk to, and you need to have some type of plan of online marketing plan put together to make sure that you have the best success at getting more clients, as well as building a team of travel agents, which is highly recommended because it gives you leverage. Okay, so understand that, have the right mindset, and come into this business with a plan. Okay, a plan to long-term plan for success. Okay, and eventually branch out into internet marketing. Okay, number 3. When you get your plan, make sure that you do not brand your company name or whatever. It's okay to mention it here and there, but don't brand the name. Brand you as a travel expert in the industry. And the best thing I recommend doing is taking some of the travel training that you learn, some of the tips that's shared with you all, and remarket it back into the marketplace. Brand yourself. Get people to know, like, and trust you. Build up that credibility, that authority, that rapport with your internet clients, internet prospects. People are going to be coming to your website. And the best way I like to use is YouTube. Do YouTube marketing. This is one of my marketing strategies to drive traffic. Okay, so make sure you have this in place. Okay, not saying you have to do YouTube, but I'm saying I'm giving you an idea of what's possible. You know, nowadays we live in the future. There's, you know, a lot of hand and foot in traditional marketing we don't have to do. It helps, but we don't have to do that. We don't have to solely rely on that. Okay, now the next one is the very most important part. Now, where did you go? How did you get started? How did you get certified? So stay with me here. You need to get with a host agency. This is the quickest and fastest way to get started as a travel agency. Okay, to get certified as a travel agent. So it's the quickest and fastest way. You can share the certification through the host agency. Okay, you need to get plugged in with a host agency. Don't try to do all this on your own, because you're going to waste a lot of time and money trying to put all the resources together to become a certified travel agent. Okay, you can try to put the training together. You can try to find all the resources, find all the suppliers, get plugged in here and there. Don't waste time doing that. Get started with a host agency, because everything you need is already put together for you, all up under one umbrella. Okay, got the training put together, all the resources, suppliers, everything you need to become certified, everything you need, okay, to get started right away. And one of the quickest things I like about starting with a host agency is you don't have to wait to get certified. As soon as you join with a host travel agency, okay, you immediately become certified because you share that certification with the host agency. Hope this makes sense. So if you think about, starting a travel agency, this is one of my quickest tips, tutorials, biggest takeaways from this. Write this down. Start with a host agency. Save yourself time and money. Okay. So if you're really unsure about, how this works, which host agency is the best, here's one that I recommend. It has a free presentation by clicking the link below this video. It's a video that will explain to you more about this host agency and how you can get started as a travel agent, become certified, as well as the opportunity to build a travel team. Okay, so this will give you leverage. Okay, and it will show you how to incorporate the right type of marketing plan within your travel business, along with the right tools. So if you find value from this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and make sure that you watch that free presentation on the next page. So click that link below and we will see you on the next page. All right. Happy travels, everyone. Larry Porter signing off. Be blessed. Bye-bye.